Now, you're big on dental implants. You don't like loose-fitting dentures.
I don't. No.
Like, nobody should be wearing a loose-fitting denture.
Nobody should be wearing a loose-fitting denture. I'd rather nobody wore a denture, but...
In fact, you told me, I want to almost quote you, you said that you do make dentures, even though you'd prefer to give them like some implants to lock it in, right?
Yeah.
But you say that you tell them it's going to be maybe horrible or something like that.
For instance, a lower denture it's not a good prosthesis. For some people, unfortunately, it's all they have or think they have.
Okay.
And we'll make the best lower denture we can make, but the best lower denture you can make
It's terrible.
It's bad. Yeah. It's, a good denture is good compared to a bad denture, but compared to real teeth, no. No denture is that good.
You do a procedure where you give them like a couple of implants to give them a full arch of teeth that snap in, snap out.
Yeah, you can do snap in, snap out with 2 implants. You go from not being able to eat a salad or an ear of corn to being able to do that usually with 2 implants. And then with 4 implants, you can get some stability in the back, and now you can chew your steak and everything in the back. And if you want to go up to 4 with a permanent set of teeth on 4 implants, you can do that. If you go to 6 implants, it's just that much more security and safety and longevity for it. So
people get a full arch of teeth.
Full arch of teeth.
Like on 6 implants. They don't come in and out.
Right. Don't come in and out.
And they can eat whatever they want.
They can eat whatever they want.